Microsoft has set special requirement, that is PopCount instruction, that your PC processor needs to meet in order to install Windows 11 24H2. During the installation, setup will verify this requirement, and if your PC CPU fails to fulfill it, then installation will throw this error message and stop the installation. In case you are curious to know if your PC processor has this critical feature so that you can confirm if your PC can install Windows 11 24H2, then here is how you can check that. Before that, I am trying to hit 1000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to channel as this encourages me in creating more videos. First of all, you need to head over to this page and download the zip file containing portable version of CPU-Z application. You can find the link in the description. Extract the zip file to obtain the application. Now open the application folder and run the setup file depending on your device architecture. I will run 64-bit version. Wait for few seconds so that application loads all the information related to your PC processor or CPU. Once it throws the required information, head over to instruction section and look for SSE4.2. If it appears for your CPU, then this confirms that your device is eligible to install Windows 11 24H2. On the other hand, if this instruction is missing, then this confirms that your PC processor lacks PopCount instructions and you won't be able to install Windows 11 24H2. So this is how you can check if your PC can install Windows 11 24H2 or not. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.